everyone, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the kids age group are at 4 p.m. on Wednesdays. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for Storytime? This week, our theme is sound. That means this week we're going to read some books about loud noises and quiet noises. Okay, our first book is Bunny's Noisy Book by Margaret Wise Brown. Pictures by Lisa McCue and published by Hyperion Books for Children. When he first woke up in the morning, he didn't open his eyes. Why should he, that little bunny? He raised his ears without opening his eyes. He heard all the little quiet noises starting the morning around him. First, what did he hear? First, nothing. Then there was a sudden fluttering and chirping. What was that? Birds getting up out of their nests and off the branches and beating their wings. Far off, very far away, he heard a cock-a-doodle-doo. What was that? The little bunny opened his eyes, went up the tunnel to his home and out to sea. Sound came from the world above. The little bunny heard a bzzz. What was that? Yes, it was a bumblebee. 2 bumblebees. Then the little bunny started on a big green leaf and began to make a little noise himself. How was that? Then he stretched. And what kind of noise was that? Then he yawned. And what kind of noise was that? Then he scratched. And what kind of noise was that? Then he sneezed. And what kind of noise was that? Achoo! And then he went hop over to a big pink clover that was buzzing with bees. All day long he ate big pink clover. At the end of the day, the sun went down. But could the little bunny hear that? No. but he could hear the little noises of the night beginning around him. The wind began to blow louder and stronger. Branches snapped. And then there was an old familiar thump as his mother banged her heels on the ground. That meant run for home. The old red fox was taking a stroll. Time for little bunnies to be safe in their hole. And he popped down the rabbit hole just as the fox barked. He wiggled his nose and sniffled the little quick noise of a sniff. How was that? And he jumped into his little bed of leaves, curled in a little fur ball, and tucked his paws under him. Then the little bunny sighed his little bunny sigh. His ears fell down and he nodded over, sound asleep in his own warm hole in the big quiet night. All right, that was Bunny's Noisy Book. Now, do you think that was a lot of loud noises or quiet noises? Okay, our next book is Shh, We Have a Plan by Chris Haughton, published by Candlewick Press. Look, a bird. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Tiptoe slowly. Tiptoe slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1, ready 2, ready 3. Go! Look, up there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Climbing slowly, climbing slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1, ready 2, ready 3. Go! Look, down there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Paddling slowly, paddling slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1, ready 2, ready 3. Hello, birdie. Would you like some bread? One, two, three. Look! Ready one, ready two, ready. Run away! Look, a squirrel. Shh, we have a plan. All right, that was shh, we have a plan. What did you guys think? I like that one. All right, everyone, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. As you come down to the library this week, you can pick up a Storytime kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that we made to go with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your friends. Since this week is all about sound, this week we are making noisemakers. And you guys are making these ones made with paper plates. The best part is that they have two different ways to make sound. These and this. It can get pretty loud. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for the Monday story times and one for the Wednesdays. You want to make sure to grab the right kits or you can end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the children's crate. They are the blue ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. Once again, my name is Miss Nita, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye!